Hi there, it's June Simmons with Onlinesalespro, and today is my day 51 of the Vincent Ortega Jr. 100 Day Video Challenge. And today I'm going to share with you, it's called the Facebook Blueprint. Now, I'm probably not going to be able to get through this today, but I just want to walk you through it with me as I go. I'm just going to learn a bunch of different new things that I don't know, some that I do, about Facebook. And so I just wanted to share it with you as I was doing it. I'm going to turn this around so you can see it real quick. Okay, so I'm just going to read as I'm learning with you. So this is the introduction, and it says that we're going to learn about the industry standard and Facebook specific terms that we use throughout our platforms and blueprint courses. And this is the free Facebook training. Okay, so it says advertising has its own language, full of terms and acronyms that can be a challenge to understand. While Facebook uses many industry standard terms to discuss advertising, on Facebook there are some Facebook-specific terms that are important to know. So upon completion of this course, you should be able to recognize basic Facebook terminology, the most common terms and acronyms used on Facebook. And so the first thing that we're going to review is core Facebook terms. Okay. Understanding advertising on Facebook and Instagram starts with knowing these 6 important terms. So the first one is Facebook Pixel. And the Facebook Pixel is our tool that allows you to track ad effectiveness outside of the Facebook network to other properties on the web. Newsfeed is the heart of the Facebook experience. It's where your audience finds the things that matter to them. Newsfeed is a consistently updating list of stories from the people and pages your audience follows on Facebook. An unpublished page post is a page post ad that is targeted to a specific audience and does not appear on your page's timeline. It only appears in the news feed of the people that you are targeting with your ad. Okay, so ROAS is return on ad spend, and it is a metric used to measure the effectiveness of a Facebook marketing campaign. We prefer to measure how much revenue is generated for every dollar spent on Facebook advertising. So desktop right column refers to the ad placement option, where an ad won't appear in newsfeed, but instead appears in the right-hand column on Facebook. Right column ads are only available for desktop placement, not mobile. A conversion lift. Facebook conversion lift enables advertisers to determine the additional business-driven, online or offline, from people reached by Facebook ads across devices. Conversion lift leverages a scientific approach used by other industries and uses randomized test and control groups. It says, now that you've gotten your feet wet, let's move on to view other common Facebook terms and acronyms. So I'm going to click on that. Common terminology and acronyms. We've created a list of key terms you'll see when advertising on Facebook and Instagram. So while you are probably already familiar with the terms below, we recommend taking a few minutes to view them. Like a puzzle, all of the terms fit together to create a rich and engaging advertising experience. So, Facebook specific terms. Timeline, sometimes referred to as your Facebook profile. A timeline is the space on a person's profile where they can see their own posts, posts from friends, and stories they're tagged in. All organized by the date of the post. Posts can be made up of photos, videos, and experiences that tell stories. Pages are like personal profiles, except they are used by businesses, brands, and organizations to share their stories and content with people. Like timelines, businesses can customize pages by posting stories, pictures, videos, and more. People who like a page and their friends can get updates in their news feeds. A post is a story you share with your audience. You use posts to connect with and engage with your audience. Posts can include text, images, and video. A page like. People connect with your brand through liking your page. When more people like your page, like your Facebook page, it helps to build your reputation. Stay connected with the people who support you and find new customers. Okay, so that was all of the Facebook specific terms. Now we're going to go to creative. Okay, here are 2 terms that you'll learn when reading about creative on Facebook. Brand. Your brand is the emotional connection that people make with your business. It is based on everything you say and do as a company and includes the messages you communicate via advertising, the values and beliefs of your company, and experiences that you offer your customers. As the world gets smaller and smaller, the competition for goods and services becomes greater. A strong brand will set your business apart and is an invaluable, intangible asset. And then campaign is the other one. Your campaign revolves around the advertising objective you have decided on, like clicks to website, brand awareness, or mobile app installs. As you set up your campaign, you'll create 1 or more ad sets to help you optimize and measure your results for each of your advertising objectives. And within each ad set are the ads themselves. All the ads in one ad set share the same daily or lifetime budget, schedule, bid type, bid info, and targeting data. Okay, so that was all for creative. So then we have purchasing. So cost per action, which is CPA. This is the average amount that you are paying for each action people take on your ads. What you pay depends on who you're targeting and how many other advertisers are competing to show their ad to the audience. Well-designed ads will encourage more people to take an action. The more action you get for your budget, the lower your cost per action will be. Then we have cost per click. This is the amount you're paying on average for each click on your ad. Average CPC is calculated as total cost for ad divided by total clicks. Cost per 1,000 impressions, which is CPM. Your average CPM is the amount you're paying on average for every 1,000 impressions of your ad. This is calculated as total cost for ad divided by total impressions. And then impressions this is the number of times that your ad was served. On your mobile apps, an ad is counted as served the first time it is viewed. On all the other Facebook interfaces, an ad is served the first time it is placed in someone's news feed. Each time it's placed in a desktop right column. Okay, so that was all on purchasing. So now we're going to do advertising. An ad. An ad is an individual ad includes its creative, the image, video, and or text it uses, target audience, and bid. Your ads appear along with the stories that are irrelevant to your audience, so it's important that the creative in your ad are aligned with their interests. Clicks are the total number of times someone clicks on your ad. Depending on what you're promoting, this can include event responses or app installs. A boosted post appears in news feeds and can significantly improve its reach. A major advantage to boosting is targeting your post toward different groups based on its performance. A promoted post is somewhere between a standard post and an ad. Once you promote a post, it will be labeled as a sponsored post. Your audience will be limited to people who like your page and their friends. Promoted posts appear higher in news feeds, so there's a better chance that your page fans and their friends will see them. Conversions are customer completed actions like purchases or adding items to a cart on a website. And video views is a total number of times your video was viewed for at least 3 seconds. Okay, so that was all on advertising. And now we're going to do targeting. And this is the last one I'm going to do today on this, and then we'll just come back tomorrow for some more. Okay, so under targeting, it's core audiences. Core audiences enables advertisers to reach precise audiences based on 4 main targeting types: location, demographic, interest, and behavior. The data is pulled from the information shared in people's profiles and the behaviors they exhibit on the platform. Custom audiences lets advertisers find their existing audiences among people who are on Facebook. Lookalike audiences is a group of people who are similar to existing audiences based on several kinds of seed users, allowing you to target more people who look like your established customers. When you use custom audiences, you can choose to create a lookalike audience that targets people who are similar to the custom audience list. And then partner categories. Partner category is a targeting option that uses data from trusted third-party data partners. That data allows you to target people based on certain attributes like their income or whether or not they are a homeowner. You will also be able to target people based on things they do off of Facebook, like purchasing a new truck. Hopefully this information helps clarify some of the concepts and terms that you will encounter when you choose to advertise on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, well that probably better be it for today, since that was already a 13-minute video, but I'm excited to come back tomorrow and share the rest of what I'm learning on here with you. So yeah, just exciting. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 52. Have a great night.